Some key points if you're going through a divorce and this divorce litigation that's ongoing. If you have children, do not discuss the divorce with the children. Do not badmouth the other parent. It's remarkable from my experience how often you see children that are being talked about in the divorce or talked about how bad one of the spouses are, and that can be really bad for the child. It also is not going to make you look very good to the judge. Another key component is really getting your documents in place, because probably the most important document you have is something called a financial statement. And there's both a quote short form financial statement that if your income's under $75,000, and a quote long form financial statement which is over $75,000. You have to list your income, and that includes a lot of time if you have a pay stub, putting down exactly what your gross wages are. Then it will take off your deductions on that. So you'll list, how many exemptions you have and what deductions or union dues or things like that would be taken off. Then we'll list your expenses, and they generally want your expenses broken down weekly. However, for most attorneys, if you put it down monthly expenses, the attorneys can break it down weekly for you. And that can be rent or mortgage or food or uninsured medicals, all these different things. A lot of time on the expenses, it's important to list additional things that are not in the financial statement. So if they don't list cable or internet or gifts or vacations, things of that nature, you can always attach another sheet. Then another issue is the assets, and that's putting down, making sure that you put down homes, or if you have a timeshare or property out of the country. Very important that all of that's listed, along with retirement accounts, bank accounts, things of that nature. And then lastly is listing your debt, which can be credit card debt, personal loans, things of that nature. Generally, separately, they'll have your mortgage listed and your car loan listed in different aspects of it. Again, it's important on your financial statement to provide as much information as you can, and if things do not fit easily into the box, to be able to do a supplement with it, attaching a footnote or an asterisk and explaining why things might be different. But a lot of time if their overtime is unclear or their bonuses are unclear, it's important to be able to put down an asterisk or a footnote and saying under bonuses, it's unclear what my bonuses are going to be this year. However, so far I've received this, and in the last 5 years, these have been what my normal bonuses are. I'm expecting it to be higher or lower, things of that nature. So a lot of times it's just providing an explanation.